Very good morning, my dear children. Previous class in optics, we discussed about optics and related to the optics and what is light and rectilinear propagation. So, who are watching first, observe that optics part 1. Watch that. After you come here, you can easy to understand. And in this part 2, so we are going to discuss this. First one is reflection of light, second laws of reflection and image formation, real and virtual images. First let me enter today's topic. First one is reflection of light. Okay, in this reflection of light, first we have to discuss about reflection of light. In this reflection, for example, if you take a mirror, I draw a normal. So remember, whenever a light which is incident perpendicular to its surface, that we call as a normal. So when a light is incident here perpendicularly, what we call this? Normal. And whenever the light is incident on a mirror, that mirror will be sent back into its same medium. That mirror will be sent back into its same medium is called reflection. How we can define the reflection? Whenever the light is incident on a mirror, that mirror will be sent back into its same medium is called reflection. Now we can discuss some examples. Whenever we have smooth surface, their reflection can take place. If for example if you take in your house, tiles will be there. Whenever they are cleaning the tiles, we can see our face because tiles maximum very smooth. So at that time we can see our face, our image. When we stand nearer to the mirror, did I appear like as a Prabhas? No. How I am? Like that only I will appear. Yes or no? So whenever you are standing nearer to the mirror, due to reflection, we can see our face and our structure. So and if you take a mirror, laser light, and this is a mirror. When you press the button, light will be incident on the mirror. Again, it will be reflect. So like this, we can discuss so many examples regarding reflection. In this reflection, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray. Incident ray, reflected ray. The angle in between normal and incident ray is angle of incidence. The angle in between normal and reflected ray is angle of reflection. The angle between normal and incident ray is angle of incidence. The angle in between normal and reflected ray is angle of reflection. Then what is this? So this angle between incident ray and surface, we can call it as a glancing angle. We can call it as glancing angle. Here also same glancing angle. And if we extended this, if we extended the incident ray, the angle between reflected ray and extended incident ray, what we call that? Angle of deviation. What we call that? Angle of deviation. Now come to the loss. Now come to the laws of reflection. In this laws of reflection, first one is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. First one is angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Let me take one example. If we observe here, light is incident on a mirror. When a light is incident on a mirror, he given 60 degrees and he asking to find out angle of reflection. So when a light is incident on here at 60 degrees, this is a glancing angle. Just now we discussed. Glancing angle. Then what will be the angle of incidence? 30 degrees. 30 degrees. So if according to first law of reflection, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. If angle of incidence is 30 degrees, what will be the angle of reflection? 30 degrees. Angle of incidence is 30 degrees, then angle of reflection also 30 degrees. That is first law of reflection. And if we come to the second law of reflection, incident ray, reflected ray, normal. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal. Are all lies at same plane. We can call as a laws of reflection. According to the second law of reflection, incident ray, reflected ray, normal are all lies at same plane. So this is about second law of reflection. So these are all laws of reflection. So today we are discussed about one is reflection and laws of reflection. Thank you.